What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. So this isn't like all our other videos. So today we're gonna put a wintergreen icebreaker mint into a glass of water and see it dissolve. So let's go. And before we start the time lapse, I'm gonna give a shout out to one of you guys who subscribes in the next 7 days. So if you want a shout out, you should hit subscribe. And now time lapse. So, it's still dissolving, but we're going to check on it. Ooh, look at that. Look at those bits that just came off as soon as I said
went to the bottom. Now it's going to start dissolving a lot faster.
Well, yeah, but dude, look at this. It's definitely dissolving. Let's throw it back in. Time lapse. So, the icebreaker has fully dissolved. Remember the shout out thing. Just subscribe if you want a shout out. Now I'm going to taste water that had an icebreaker dissolve in it. So, okay, yeah, that doesn't taste good. It tastes kind of like magnetic. That tastes weird. Alright, so it has kind of like magnetic taste. Mint magnetic taste. So let's jump this out. And that's it for the video. Subscribe, like, ring the bell. Goodbye.